Did you know that 99% of victims of domestic abuse don't leave because of physical harm? They leave because of economic control. They can't escape because they don't control their own money, and they can't report abuse because their phones are constantly monitored. Let me introduce Athena. To an abuser, it looks like an ordinary calculator. But when a secret code is entered, it transforms into a military-grade escape tool. Athena gives users two superpowers: a freedom vault to save money in crypto, invisible to traditional banks, an immutable locker that stores evidence on the blockchain where no one can delete it. We use AI to plan the exit and blockchain to secure the truth. Athena is the invisible technology that turns a victim into a survivor. Inside the app, pressing the percent symbol reveals a hidden command panel. This allows us to check the app's status without exposing any visible interface. After a quick registration, we enter an internal code like 1999 equals to access the main dashboard. All of this happens in under 30 seconds, while the interface continues to look like a normal calculator. This is how Athena maintains privacy, stealth, and full control at all times. We are now at the heart of Athena, the escape planner. Many victims don't leave because the problem feels huge and impossible. They don't know where to start. This is where our AI comes in, powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash and orchestrated with OQAI's ADKTS. This isn't a basic chatbot. It's an autonomous agent with a clear mission: to map out a safe exit route. Watch how the conversation starts. The agent doesn't wait passively. It initiates by asking about immediate safety. What you see here is the ADK reasoning loop in action. When the user replies, "I have 2 kids and 0 savings," the agent doesn't just read text. Perceives, identifies high economic vulnerability. Reasons. Calculates that a shelter, not just a passage, is needed. Notice it doesn't judge. It asks key logistical questions. Do you have access to documents? Risk level from 1 to 10? It's building a risk profile in real time. Gemini 2.5 analyzes emotional context to adjust tone. Firm, yet compassionate. All this information is being structured secretly. The agent is about to use its internal tool, Calculate Chasha Freedom Goal. It's designing a personalized financial and logistical strategy just before presenting the final plan. And here's the result. Athena doesn't just give generic advice. It delivers a freedom plan structured in 3 phases. Phase 1, immediate safety. Phase 2, evidence documentation. Phase 3, escape execution to Huancayo, the safe destination. It mathematically calculates the exact amount needed: 500 USD for transport and shelter. But if the victim has no income, how can this be achieved? This is where the impossible happens. The agent automatically deploys a smart contract on the Frexel blockchain. It creates an anonymous angel pool with a unique ID. The victim receives a secure link to track donations and verify full transparency. No hidden funds, no middlemen. The community can contribute safely without ever knowing the victim's identity. The funds go directly to the contract, accessible only by her. This is how empathy turns into real, tangible freedom. Finally, in the Vault tab, the victim can see their real progress. Here, they can discreetly top up funds using YEPA or PLIN, P2P, without raising any suspicion at the bank. And the best part, they can watch in real time as the Angels Progress bar fills up, showing how the world donates anonymously to their cause. But money is useless if the abuser takes it away or deletes the evidence. Here we present the immutable locker. The current problem is that photos on phones get deleted, audios are lost, and worse, it's hard to legally prove the severity of abuse. Watch how the user uploads an audio recording of a violent argument. 2 revolutionary processes happen simultaneously. First, the AI, Gemini 2.5 multimodal, listens to the audio or analyzes injury photos. It doesn't just store the file, it measures intensity. It detects screams, threat patterns, and classifies risk. This is crucial. It validates the case's authenticity. We prevent fraud or false claims by ensuring only cases with real signs of active violence receive priority in the aid pools. Second, once validated by AI, the file is sent to IPFS via Panada. This decentralizes storage. It's not on a central server that can be hacked. Finally, the file's digital fingerprint and the hash is written on the Frax-Tau blockchain. The result is legally admissible evidence with a perfect chain of custody, validated by AI, secured by Panada, sealed by blockchain, indestructible. Finally, the panic button. When the critical moment arrives, a single tap changes everything forever. The vault automatically empties, instantly transferring funds to your trusted contact. At the same time, all gathered evidence is permanently sealed on the blockchain, ensuring it can never be deleted or tampered with. Athena doesn't just plan your escape with artificial intelligence. Athena executes your freedom in real time. Because in those crucial seconds, every action can save your life.